Hello, my name is Larry Stevens, and thank you for visiting this website. I'm a retired FDA guy, 21 years of FDA experience, and I'm also an experienced businessman. I spent 18 years in the medical device industry, primarily with cardiovascular devices. And it's kind of a divided up interestingly. I worked from FDA from 72 to 82. In 1976, when the medical device law was passed, I was selected to be a small business representative for the Center for Medical Devices in California, and was trained on all the new FDA requirements for medical devices. In 1982, I said, well, maybe I can throw my hat into the business arena and use the knowledge that I've gained in FDA for working in companies in regulatory, clinical, and quality programs. And it worked very well. I worked my way up, startups and big companies. The last 6 years of my career, I was a VP of RA, QA, and clinical for several large companies and a couple of startup companies. So I've got that experience. In November 2000, I went back to FDA. Figure that out. But it was time for me for public service. I'd done my working career. I went back to FDA in 2000 and was made a medical device specialist as an investigator. Did that for a few years, and I became a compliance officer. That's the person who reviews the investigator reports and sample collections. And I've directed the import operations for them out in California, and also served as a supervisory investigator training new investigators. When I retired in November of 2011, I went into the consulting business, and it's worked very well for me. I've been able to help all kinds of companies. I do audits of big companies, audits of their suppliers, audits of their divisions, basically looking at them through the eyes of FDA and doing an FDA inspection in kind, but obviously not in the enforcement area. So it's really a good way to work in the sense of getting an FDA perspective on your operation, but not having to wait for FDA to give you that perspective. Anyway, I also have been very fortunate to be used as an expert witness. For the last few years, I've been selected as an expert witness for cases involving the FDA regulation of medical devices. And I've never been challenged in court on my designation as an expert, and I guess that's an advantage of getting old, and also of having very, very specialized experience. My entire working career has been around the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, either with the FDA or in the industry. So I really think that if you want to, if you have an FDA problem, I can help you solve it. If you don't have an FDA problem, and I can help you from getting an FDA problem. And feel free to contact me. You can contact me for the website. You can contact me, email larry@fdadeviceexpert.com, or you can contact me by phone, which is area code 314-499-5148. So email, phone, website, whatever it is, feel free to get in touch with me. I'll be glad to give you a little free consultation and talk to you more about me, and you can talk to me more about what your issues are, and perhaps we can work together. Thank you very much.